Hello friends, in today's video we are going to see some pharmaceutical excipients and their brand names. So first one, very popular, microcrystalline cellulose. The brand names are Avicel, Emcocel, Flowcell, Vivapure. Then for lactose there are brand names like Pharmatose, Lactopress, Lactose Fast Flow, Granulac, Ludipress. Cross carbonyl sodium, it is known by Agdisol, Vivasol, Primelodes, and these brand names are of different manufacturers. So please comment in the comment box if you know the manufacturer for these different brands. Next one is Povidone. The brand names are Povidone K30, Plasdone, Colidone. Then sodium starch glycolate, very popularly known by Explotab, Primogel, and Vivastar. Then hydroxypropyl methylcellulose, known by Methocel, Hypromellose, Benecel. Polyethylene glycol is also known as Carbovax and Macrogol. Then methacrylic acid copolymers is widely known by its name Udrajet. Next one is magnesium stearate, known by different brand names like Stereotex, Lubritab, Ligamade, Proof, etc. Then sodium lauryl sulfate, known by Sodafloc, Texapon. Talc is known by its names Steritalc, Magnasorb, etc. Mannitol, very common excipient known by different brand names such as Osmitrol, Aridol, Manogem. Then there are certain co-process excipients which are also known by their brand names. So first one is lactose plus povidone, known by Ludipress. Lactose and maize starch mixture is known as Starlac. Lactose and MCC is known as Selactose, and MCC and sodium starch glycolate known as Prozol SMCC, mannitol and crospovidone known by Prozol ODT, Pharmaburst, and mannitol and starch known by the name Perlitol. Then MCC plus dibasic calcium phosphate, this co-process excipient very commonly used and is known by M-compress. Then dicalcium phosphate is known by brand names such as Ditab, Calcibase, M-compress direct, Calcid. And magnesium stearate and sodium lauryl sulfate is known by the brand name Staer-O-wet. Friends, if you know any other excipient and their brand names, please do comment in the comment box. And if you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.